Hey everybody, Nick from Rich & Sons here with another edition of Favorite Floor Plan. Today I'm going to talk about the Outback Ultralight 244 UBH. Great thing with these Outback Ultralights, you still get the painted front cap, so you get that protection from the rock chips and everything, and you don't have to worry about it fading over time like you do if it's not the painted front cap. So you get two 30-pound LP tanks with this. Of course, you get the power tongue jack, and you also get your power stabilizers on these too. Couple great features with this specific model. You're going to have an outdoor kitchen, so especially if you have a bunkhouse, you know, it gives you something to put your kids' beverages in while they're outside playing and everything. And then, kind of like the Passport models, they've moved on to like a cargo door in the back. So I have, well, this will fold up so you can fit, you know, all sorts of stuff in there, kayaks, bicycles, whatever. And this particular model actually has some tie downs for you too. And there's also this great little storage area here on the other side. I don't know if you can swing around so you can see that. So just a little bit of extra storage there. And this just easily latches in here to hold this up while you're storing that stuff in there. Fully walkable roof on these now. One-piece TPO roof. They put on all of our campers, so you're going to get a lot of protection there with that. Friction hinge door, and then you have your self-closing screen door on here. As you walk in, it's not a giant unit, but it's a lightweight unit. It's very affordable. You can sleep a lot of people. So you got this great entertainment area over here on the side next to the refrigerator, which is one of the new 12-volt refrigerators. 10 cubic foot of storage on here. Will run off of your battery. So you can see in there you got a ton of extra storage compared to the gas electric fridges. These are pet friendly. As you can see, there's no carpet at all in this camper. And this one has your little doggy bowls. So something fun there, and help keep some stuff off the floor when you got the other kids with you. Dream dinette, super easy to fold down for some extra sleeping area. So you just put that latch, push that down, put those cushions there for some extra sleeping area. Of course, you got the bunks. Good sized bathroom in here. Tons of, you know, if you're taller than I am, you got a ton of space there to stand up. And they put that skylight towards the back so you're not up against the shower nozzle when you're trying to take a shower. Lots of good storage in here. If you go into the bedroom, kind of with the whole theme of being pet friendly, you got the kennel that's in these Outbacks, and this will be with all of them. So my kids would like to hang out in there too. But so yeah, queen size bed, plenty of storage in here also, deep cupboards, and yeah, I love this floor plan. And we'll just go around here so I can show you what the price is on it. So the Outback Ultralights are very affordable, and you can pull them with just about anything. You know, MSRP on this is $33,017. Your best price, all the discounts, we got it at $26,999. So with about $2,700 down, you can get this for $264 a month. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 308-384-2040, and we'll talk to you later.